I take seminars with professionals and I teach them a system that I have devised out of my reading and experiences and traveling all the world and meeting professionals. Every second day I'm talking to professionals at some of the other place. I've devised a theory that 8 plus 8 plus 8 is the system for balance sheet in life. Of the 24 hours that you have in your life every day, it should be well distributed into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system. आपको प्रवचन में और कोई बातें याद ना रहे तो ये एक बात घर लेके जाना, 8 plus 8 plus 8. First 8 hours of the day, your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. First 8 hours of the day is your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. Second 8 hours is a good sleep or rest. Third 8 hours are very important. If you're not able to manage the third 8 hours of the day, you may lose your life. And if you can well manage the third 8 hours of the day, you can well win your life. The third 8 hours of the day, we teach, it is 3F, 3H and 3S. 3F is family, friends and faith. 3H is health, hygiene and hobby. And 3S is your soul, service and smile. This 9 departments should consume the third 8 hours of the day. Of course in fragments. If you can well distribute your day into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system, it is a good balance sheet of life. A good balance sheet of day and thus your life. Again I repeat, the third 8 hours are 3F, 3H and 3S. 3F is family, friends and faith. 3H is health, hygiene, hobby. 3S is soul, service and smile. Into this 9 departments you distribute your third 8 hours of time and it is a balanced life, well lived. So you don't have complaints from any quarters of life, from any people in your life. Because you have lived a balanced life. You have given even enough time apart from your profession to your family, to your friends, to your faith, to your health, to your hygiene, to your hobby, to your services, any NGO or any good cause of the society that you are involved with. So well distribution of time, well balance of time, that can give you a good balance sheet of life. वरना कंपनीज या प्रोफेशनल्स की तो आप बैलेंस शीट बनाते हो पैसे की, अपनी लाइफ की बनानी बहुत जरूरी है, अदरवाइज यू विल रिपेंट एट द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. मुगल सम्राट औरंगजेब बोले सारी जिंदगानी फिजूल गई. नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट बोले आई हैवंट सीन 6 हैप्पी डेज इन माय लाइफ. तो ये बारी आपकी न आए एट द एज ऑफ 70 और 80, इसके लिए ये बात और विचार है. And I sometimes jokingly say that the amount of money that is in your bank account when you die is the extra work you did, you shouldn't have done. आपको जरूरत नहीं थी, क्योंकि आपके मरने के बाद वो पैसे कहां जाएंगे, कैसे जाएंगे, किस तरह से यूज होगा, वो आपको तो पता है नहीं. So now in America, Millionaires and Billionaires Club has started. The basic criteria for membership in this club is that you have to pledge and donate 80% of all your wealth. Only then you become the member of this club. और उसमें thousands of people हैं. Because the power of money is in giving, not accumulating.